Unit 5, Digital Presentation. Introduction. A digital presentation is an effective tool to show your idea or opinion in front of an audience. It is a way to represent your work virtually. It saves our time and paper as well. Apart from a presentation, an individual must have presentation skills. Presentation skills are the competencies required to deliver compelling, engaging, and informative presentations. Public speaking, tone of voice, body language, and creativity are all essential for effectively conveying information to an audience. With the help of a presentation, an individual can explain a complex method in an easy way. For example,
a doctor can explain the nervous system of the human body to some students effectively with the help of a presentation.
Nowadays, almost every sector like insurance, teaching, training, banking, etc. has a requirement for people who are expert in presentation and have the ability to deliver the presentation. It is important for an organization to reach out to their audience more effectively so that they can survive in today's competitive industry. Some of the basic elements of a presentation that make it more appealing and effective are text, bulleted items, tables, images, audios, videos, animation, etc. Characteristics of a good quality presentation. A presentation is considered good if it has the following qualities. It conveys the message clearly to the audience. It has minimum text and maximum illustrations or images, audios, videos, etc. to explain the concept. It has a readable font and font size depending on the distance of the screen from the audience. The appropriate font size is 32 or more. It has error-free facts and figures, especially grammar, spelling, and language. It has a simple language that anyone can understand easily. It has tables and graphs where required. It has silent background colors and dark colors for fonts. It has a different color for highlighting important information. Today, we have many software that allows us to create impressive and informative presentations. Some presentation software are as follows. Microsoft PowerPoint, MS Office 365 PowerPoint, LibreOffice Impress, OpenOffice Impress, Google Slides, Prezi, Keynote, Zoho Show. In this book, we will learn about LibreOffice Impress. LibreOffice Impress. LibreOffice Impress is open source and free software for creating presentations. It is available for almost every operating system like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It allows us to create presentations with text, images, audio, and videos. Similar to other LibreOffice programs, Impress also provides several formatting and editing features like bold, colors, text alignment, borders, drawing, etc., which we can use in similar ways that we have used in LibreOffice Writer and Calc.
Starting LibreOffice Impress.
Similar to other programs, we can start Impress on Windows by using the following steps. 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu appears. 2. Click on the LibreOffice folder. 3. Click on the LibreOffice Impress application. Or 1. Double-click on the LibreOffice shortcut icon on the desktop. 2. Click on the File menu. 3. Select the New in that presentation option. Or 1. Type Impress in the search bar on the taskbar. 2. Click on the LibreOffice Impress application.
The Impress window opens with the Select a Template dialog box.
3. Click on Close button. We will learn about templates later in this unit. The Impress window appears with a blank presentation having following components. Title bar. It is a long horizontal strip present at the top of the Impress window. It shows the currently open presentation name on the left-hand side and window control buttons on the right-hand side. There are 3 control buttons: Minimize, Maximize or Restore down, and Close. The default presentation names can be Untitled 1, Untitled 2, Untitled 3, and so on. Menu bar. It is present just below the title bar and shows File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Slide, Slideshow, Tools, Window, and Help menus. Each of these menus contain various options. File menu. It contains options to perform basic operations like creating a new presentation, saving a presentation, opening an existing presentation, closing a presentation, etc. Edit menu. It contains options to perform editing operations like undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, etc. View menu. It contains options for viewing a presentation in different modes, opening toolbars, viewing animation and transition, controlling zoom level in presentation, etc. Insert menu. It has options to add different elements like image, audio, video, font work, shapes, media, etc. to the presentation. Format menu. It provides formatting options to format text, images, tables, objects, lists, paragraph, etc. Slide. It gives us facility to create a new slide, duplicate slide, choose a layout for a slide, hide slide, rename slide, etc. Slide show. It has options for presenting a presentation. Tools menu. It provides options for language check. Window menu. It gives options to manage opened presentations window. Help menu. It contains options to get help related to any topic of Impress. Standard toolbar. It is present just below the menu bar. It has icons of different standard commands that are present in the different menus like new, open, save, cut, copy, paste, print, etc. It provides a shortcut way to use the menu commands without going to menu bar. Drawing toolbar. It contains icons to draw different geometrical shapes like line, rectangle, square, triangle, etc. and artistic shapes like emoji, flowcharts, stars, callouts, 3D objects. It also provides options to format shapes like fill color, rotate, flip, align, etc. Slides pane and slides. Slides pane is present at the left side in Impress window containing thumbnail views of all slides available in the presentation. A slide is a page in a presentation. If the slide pane is not visible in the Impress window, we can open it from the View menu.
Workspace.
It is the area where the content of the slide is placed and edited. If we click on any slide from the Slides pane, it will appear in this area. Properties pane. It contains two sections, Slide and Layouts. The Slide section allows us to set or modify the properties of the slide and presentation like format, background, orientation, master slide, etc. A master slide makes the base architecture of slide. It allows to maintain same style through the presentation. There are a few default slide master pages available in Impress. On the other hand, the Layouts section contains 12 predefined slide layouts. We can select a layout for our slides and modify it according to our requirement. Sidebar. It is present at the extreme right side in the Impress window. It contains 8 buttons including Properties, Styles, Gallery, Navigator, Shapes, Slide Transition, Animation and Master Slides. Each of these buttons is associated a pane with it. When we click on any button, the Relate pane opens as Properties pane is opened by default. Status bar and zoom control. It is present at the bottom of the Impress window. It shows various properties of the currently open presentation. From the left, it shows the current slide out of total slides, whether the slide has been modified since the last save action or not. Next, it shows the current text box size, slide size, and language of the text. On the right-hand side, an icon to fit the slide to current window, zoom in and zoom out slider, and current zoom percentage are visible. Closing LibreOffice Impress. To close the Impress application window, click on the Close button from the title bar, or select the file in that exit option from the menu bar. Creating a presentation using template. To create a new blank presentation, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File, New, Presentation option from the menu bar, or click on the New icon from the standard toolbar. The Select a Template dialog box opens. 2. Click on the desired template from the Select a Template dialog box. In our case, we have selected Lights template. 3. Click on the Open button. A new presentation is created with the selected template. The first slide of a presentation is generally a title slide. 4. Click in the Click to Add Title box. The box becomes active and the cursor starts blinking in the box. 5. Type the title for the presentation. In our case, we have typed Environment. 6. Similarly, type the desired text in the Click to Add Text box. In our case, we have typed Created by Text. Changing layout of a slide. A layout is a predefined structure of a slide. There are various layouts present that we can use in our presentation. We can change the layout of a slide from the Properties pane or from the Slide menu. The selected layout gets applied on the slide. Saving a presentation. After completing work in the presentation, we have to save it. Follow the given steps to save a presentation. 1. Click on the File menu. 2. Click on the Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. 3. Select the location to save the presentation. 4. Type the name for the presentation in the File Name box. 5. Click on the Save button. The presentation is saved with the specified name. Saving a presentation with different name. We can save a presentation with different name using the Save As option. Follow the given steps to do so. 1. Click on the File, Save As option. The Save As dialog box appears. 2. Type the new name in the File Name box. 3. Click on the Save button. Saving a presentation with a different format. By default, an Impress presentation is saved with .odp extension. To change the format, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File, then Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. 2. Click on Save As Type box. A drop-down list appears. 3. Select the format in which we want to save the presentation. 4. Click on the Save button. Saving a presentation as HTML or PDF. Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, is a format that can be published on the internet. We can save a presentation in HTML format so that it could be opened in any web browser. A portable document format, PDF, of the presentation can be created by saving a file in the PDF format. A PDF file can be viewed in Adobe Acrobat Reader. We cannot edit a PDF. To save the presentation as HTML or PDF, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the File, then Export option. The Export dialog box appears. 2. Select the directory in which you want to save the file. 3. Type the file name in the File Name box. 4. Select the HTML document, Impress or PDF. Portable document format option from the Save As Type box. 4. Click on the Save button. We can also save a presentation as PDF by clicking on File, then Export as PDF option. The presentation is saved in the desired format. We can click on the Export Direction as PDF button from the standard toolbar to save a presentation as PDF. Running a slideshow. A slideshow is a view to present the presentation to the audience. Follow the given steps to run the slideshow. 1. Open or create a presentation that is to be viewed in slideshow. 2. Click on the slideshow, then start from first slide from the menu bar to run the slideshow from the beginning. Or click on the slideshow, then start from current slide from the menu bar to run the slideshow from the current slide. The slideshow starts to run. You can move up to the next slide by pressing the mouse button. You can also use the arrow key on your keyboard to navigate to the next or previous slide. To get to the next slide, use the spacebar key on your keyboard. At the end of the presentation slideshow, click to exit presentation message appears. Closing a presentation. We can close a presentation by clicking on the File, then Close option from the menu bar. Opening an existing presentation. Follow the given steps to open an existing presentation. 1. Click on the File, then Open option from the menu bar. The Open dialog box appears. 2. Navigate to the location where presentation is saved. 3. Select the presentation to be opened. 4. Click on the Open button. The selected presentation is opened. Using Help menu. Help menu provides option to helping content about any topic of interest. For getting help, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Help menu. 2. Click on the LibreOffice Help option. The Help window opens with a list of topics. Working with slides. Working with presentation includes various operations like adding a new slide, adding a duplicate slide, copying and moving a slide, deleting a slide, renaming a slide, etc. Let us discuss about them one by one. Adding a new slideshow. There are various methods to add a new slide into the presentation. Some of them are as follows. Click on the slide, then New Slide option from the menu bar. Or right-click on a slide and select the New Slide option from the context menu. Or right-click in an empty space in the slide pane and select the slide, then New Slide from the context menu. Or click on the New Slide icon in the presentation toolbar.
Adding a duplicate slide. We can make a duplicate copy of a slide in various ways. Follow the given steps to make a duplicate of a slide.
1. Select the slide. 2. Click on the slide, then Duplicate Slide option from the menu bar. Or right-click on the slide and select the Duplicate Slide option from the context menu. Or right-click in the blank area in the Slides pane and select the Duplicate Slide option from the context menu. Or click on the Duplicate Slide icon in the presentation toolbar. Copying or moving slides. Copying a slide means to make a copy of a slide. On the other hand, moving a slide means to remove the slide from its original location and place it at some other location. The copy and paste commands are used to copy a slide, whereas cut and paste commands are used to move a slide. Follow the given steps to copy a slide. 1. Select the slide in Slides pane. 2. Click on the Edit, then Copy option from the menu bar. 3. Mark the place in the presentation where you want to move or copy the slide. 4. Click on the Edit, then Paste option from the menu bar. The copy of the same slide appears. We can also copy a slide by right-clicking on it and selecting the Copy option from the context menu. Follow the given steps to move a slide. 1. Select the slide in Slides pane. 2. Click on the Edit, then Cut option from the menu bar. The slide is removed from its place. 3. Mark the place in the presentation where you want to move the slide. 4. Click on the Edit, then Paste option from the menu bar. The slide appears. We can also move a slide by right-clicking on it and selecting the Cut option from the context menu. Then again right-click at the place where the slide needs to be moved and select the Paste option. We can also copy a slide from one place to another by using the following steps. 1. Select the slide that you want to move. 2. Drag the slide while pressing the Ctrl key to copy a slide. 3. Move the mouse cursor to the desired location. 4. Release the left mouse button and then release the Ctrl key. A copy of the slide appears. If we drag the slide without pressing the Ctrl key, then the slide is moved instead of copied. Deleting slides. We can delete an unwanted slide at any time. To delete a slide, follow the given steps. 1. Select the slide that is to be deleted. 2. Right-click on the selected slide. A context menu appears. 3. Select the Delete Slide option. Or, after selecting the slide, press the Delete key from the keyboard. The slide will be deleted. Renaming a slide. By default, slides are named as Slide 1, Slide 2, and so on. We can give some meaningful names to the slides. To rename a slide, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the slide in the Slides pane. 2. Click on the Slide menu and select the Rename Slide option. A Rename Slide dialog box will appear. 3. Type the slide name in the Name text box. 4. Click on OK button. The slide will be renamed. We can also rename a slide by right-clicking on the slide and selecting the Rename Slide option from the context menu.